Yo, so what go on people saying I don't know what's shocking man. And this one me I go show you some of the cheapest that I can I go find anywhere. Some of you viewers say I can't find cheap cars. I'm decide to make one of them cheap car videos for showing some cheap car there road right now if you know up to it. You see me, so I jump on the computer and I go show you what I go on. Okay, so here we have a 2006 Subaru Impreza. You see what I did? So this is one I sell for 350,000. Yes, man, I said 350,000. So it's a nice blue on a vehicle. You can see the headlight is a little bit faded, but me I think it's that, but it's looking pretty okay to me. You see me, I did at the side of the vehicle again looking pretty okay as well. The front of the vehicle is looking pretty good. I always like them Subaru headlight here, man. But yes, man, it's looking pretty okay at the front here of the vehicle right there. You see me, the side of the ear of the vehicle looking pretty okay. When I say nothing out of the usual there, looking pretty alright. The interior right here looking pretty okay as well. Dashboard looking pretty solid. Seats are in pretty okay condition. Nothing worth talking about on the interior. It does look pretty stock. And again, the seats are in pretty good condition. The door cover over there is looking okay. We can see the back seat is dropped right there. I can't tell why, but it does look like the seats are in pretty okay condition. You see me, and the back of the vehicle looking pretty okay as well. Not the usual there. So yes, man, if you're interested in them type of Subaru Impreza, you can get this one for 350,000. Although as I'm telling you, I always carry a mechanic or carry somebody when know about car to check the vehicle when you're going. So here's the contact number right there. But yes, man, it's a pretty good looking Subaru. So the person did not post any more pictures of this Subaru now, man. But again, this is 2006 Subaru Impreza selling for 350,000, bro. You see me? So we just got to move on to the next one. So here we have a Suzuki 2004 Suzuki, and this one is selling for 230,000. Me have to look at me and see things right now, man. But yes, man, it is 230,000 negotiable. So you know, so if you're serious, I probably could even get it for like 180 or 1 something. You see what I did? So we'll take a look and straight up. You can see the paint on the vehicle looking pretty good. It have some aftermarket wheels right there looking pretty okay on the vehicle. You see me, I did the back of the vehicle looking relatively okay. You see what I did? And the side of the vehicle again looking pretty good. No signs of damages there. So the person did not post any more pictures of this vehicle in a man. But here is the contact number, and again, if you are interested in any of them vehicle, always carry your mechanic. You see what I did? Carry your mechanic and check it properly. You see me? Or you can even reach out to we and we will come with you and view the vehicle and check it for you at a fee. You see what I did? But me can do that. But me always try to tell them, bro, I don't want nothing do no more of it, but alright, so I always carry somebody. You see me? So we'll move on to the next one. So here we have a Subaru Forester. This one is 2005 and this one is selling for 400,000 and the price is negotiable. You see me, I did yo, I love see when the vehicle man negotiable, you know, man. So you know, so yo, if you know if you negotiable, no, if you know if you negotiate, you know how low you can get it, you know, man. You see what I did? So anyway, this is a Subaru Forester. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think this is a SUV now. I think this is classified as a SUV. You see what I did? And it looking pretty good. Like the paint is looking okay. The front of the vehicle looking okay. We can see a little bit of fading upon the roof of the vehicle right there. But me that live with that, man, I think that is too. But the interior of the vehicle looking pretty good. If you have a little cover right here upon the dashboard, but I don't think that is something where that make me discourage from half of the vehicle. Because I just like the overall tone of the vehicle. Looking pretty good. And at the end of the day, it is 400,000 negotiable. So you probably get for like 350 if you really know if you negotiate. You see what I mean? So the exterior of the vehicle again looking pretty good. Not the usual there. You can see some little scuff mark all over the front right there. But I don't think that is, you know, something where me that turn me off of the vehicle. Again, the price is 4 bills flat. You see me, I need negotiable. So yes, man, the back of the vehicle looking pretty okay as well. We can set a mechanical trim from off of the back door right there, after the trunk door right there. You can set a mechanical trim. But again, that's not really a deal turner for me. That not turn me off. It's pretty okay. It have a small sink right there, but again, me not think that is too bad of a issue for me. You see me, I did the back here again. It look like I said probably could have do with one full respray. Probably I just respray the whole thing if I want it really nice, because we can see say the back back bumper right there have some like a scuff mark all over. The paint is flaking. These are what usually happen to paint when time you have a paint with upon a vehicle for a long time. So more than likely this is the original paint that is on it, and that's why you see it flakes about. At the end of the day, if you're interested in them kind of Subaru, yeah, here is the contact number. If you are interested, you could call them and check it out and set it up for yourself. You see what I did? But here we are going to just going to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a, we call this Peugeot or whatever this is in a one. You see me, this is a 2005 vehicle and it is selling for 350,000, you know, my viewers. So this is something we have to consider, or when I think me not really consider these type of vehicle. And the reason why me not really consider these type of vehicle, because you have to remember, so parts availability is a problem for these type of vehicle. If you can't find the parts fit, it now make no sense. If you have this vehicle and something simple like a water pump you need feet and you cannot find it, maybe birds and all of them places, now go stack the parts for this car, you're gonna just end up have to part the car if you have something very, very small. So me not really like them type of vehicle will have them unusual brand where you know say you're gonna in a problem to find the parts, but me have to show it anyway because the price is 350,000, you know, man. You see me? So anyway, to exterior the vehicle, I have to just show and say, yo, it's looking pretty okay. Not the usual there. You see me, I did paint. The headlight is a little bit faded, but that's something you could have lived with. It does look like to have a sunroof right there. You see me? And the back of the vehicle looking pretty weird. Like this is a weird shape for one vehicle. You know, like the tail lights looking pretty weird. I don't know why them shape it up. So, but anyway, the interior of the vehicle here looking pretty okay. Seats are in okay condition. Front seat here looking okay. To miss na shift knob off at the top of the shifter right there. You see me, I did side here the vehicle looking pretty good. Paint is looking okay. You see me, I did. And yes, but this is a pretty overall okay condition vehicle. You see me, if it wasn't a problem, if it wasn't the fact that the parts availability would have been so scarce, me I say, yo, I want to go for this. But me personally not recommend this. But if you are interested in this vehicle and you want to check it out for yourself, here is the contact number right there. But what we are going to do, we just going to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have a Nissan Tiida. This one is a 2008 Nissan Tiida, and this one is selling for 420,000. You see me, and the price is negotiable. So you know what negotiable mean, you know, man. You see me, so you probably get it for like all 3+, you know, man. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to just show you what I want. So the front of the vehicle here is looking pretty okay. No signs of damages there. The headlight could have with that buff and polish. And I promise you, say for me buff and polish this headlight here, that be 100% clear, because this is not far off from the original clarity. You see me, this if I me for both this down, yeah, I get 100% clarity out of them headlight. So anyways, we are continuing and we'll see what's going on the side of the vehicle looking pretty good. We can see that it does have some aftermarket wheels right there, looking pretty good. Paint is looking really good, looking really clean. It having an Android radio right there, and the dashboard is looking pretty solid, pretty clean. You see me, the front here again looking pretty okay, and the back here the vehicle looking pretty clean, no signs of damage. And again, the price on this 2008 Nissan Tiida is 420 negotiable. So if you don't know if you negotiate, you can go for it. And here is the contact number if you are interested in this vehicle. But we just got to move on to the next one. This is a 2012 Mazda, man, and it has sell for 590,000, but it is negotiable. I feel pretty certain that if you know if you negotiate, you probably could get it for like the 5 bills flat. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you know this is a 2011 vehicle and it doesn't look that bad, so I might as well show you what I go on. You see me? So anyway, the front of the vehicle you're looking pretty good, no signs of damages there. You see me, the side of the vehicle you're looking pretty good as well, not the usual pan this vehicle. You see me, the other side of the vehicle, the side here again looking pretty okay. Wheels are looking good. This look like stock wheels for the vehicle right there. The back of the vehicle again looking pretty good, no signs of damages there. Again, the price for this one is 590,000, but the price is negotiable, so maybe I get it for the 5 bills flat, or maybe even a little less depending on your negotiation skills. You see me? So the front of the vehicle you're looking pretty good, no signs of damage. We can't see nothing out of the usual on this vehicle. Nothing we're talking about. It looking pretty stock, pretty okay. You see me? The back seat area again looking pretty okay as well, no signs of damages there. nothing worth talking about. Dashboard looking pretty clean. You see me, I did this a pretty nice little, Mazda. You see what I did? So the interior, again, the dashboard, or at least the driver's seat area here looking pretty good. I think this is the push to start, and maybe this is the key one. I'm not entirely sure which one of them this, but it does look pretty good, and the person did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, so if you are interested in this vehicle, here is the contact number. A zero me I did, but we just got to move on to the next one. So here we have a Subaru Impreza. This one is a 2005 one. Them and this a sell for 320,000. You hear me? I tell them I'm always arguing on the best of the best when it comes down to the pricing. You'll find the cheapest that I carry them phone, bro. The zero me didn't all enough for to subscribe, like the video, them and leave a comment in the comment section. You see me? So anyway, I'm gonna look on this a Subaru Impreza, yeah man, and we can say the front of the vehicle you're looking pretty okay. You see me? I did it does look like they have some slight color fading on the bonnet right there, but these are very minor. You see me I did. So again, the front here of the vehicle looking pretty okay, no signs of damage is there. You see me I did. The side here of the vehicle looking relatively okay. You see what I did? But it have a little sinking on the back here right there. You see me? The back seat, now the front seat area here, my first looking pretty okay. Dashboard looking pretty solid. The driver's seat have a little tear right there, but I think that is nothing really major. And the back seat area here looking relatively okay, no signs of damage is there. So the person did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, man. So if you are interested in this vehicle, here is the contact number. But we just have to move on to the next one. Okay, so here we have another Subaru Impreza. This one is a 2011 one, man, and this one is selling for 500,000, and the price is negotiable, brother. It is negotiable. So if you know if you negotiate, you know any price is possible. You see me? So the front here of the vehicle looking pretty good. No signs of damage is there. It's a nice wipe on the vehicle. Back here the vehicle here looking pretty okay as well. Not the usual, nothing we're talking about. Interior looking super clean. Seats have on some seat covers right here. Dashboard looking pretty solid. Yes man, it's a pretty okay looking vehicle, except for here we can see some damages right here. So it look like it kind of get a rubber or a bounce or something. So the headlight is broken. It have on some small scuff mark right there, so say probably have a body work and spray it. You see me, if you want it to be perfect 10 out of 10. You see me, nothing else me not say out of the usual. Pan the vehicle side here looking pretty good, nothing out of the usual there. Back here looking pretty good as well, nothing out of the usual there. So yes man, so apart from the damages at the front that we see, we don't see nothing else out of the usual. So I don't know if that's something I'm not interested in, but here is the contact number on screen if you are interested. And again, the price is 500,000 and the price is negotiable. You see me? So again, the dashboard looking super clean looking interior, and nothing worth talking about. It's just looking pretty stock. You see me? Yes man, and this is the normal Subaru engine. This coming on most of the Subaru them, man. Most of the Subaru Impreza them anyways. You see me? So if you are interested in this vehicle, here's the contact number on screen. Also again, if you need to carry a mechanic, you're not know a mechanic where you want to carry, you don't know nobody, you can always reach out to we, and we will probably go with you for you any vehicle at a cost. But again, me feel like that is better than taking a risk and just buying a car blind. You see what I did? Always carry somebody with know about car, and just to be safe. I just want everybody alright, everybody will watch the video, them and follow the page. Everybody just to be safe out there. You see what I did? So we just have to move on to the next one. So here we have another Nissan Tiida. So this one is also 2008, and this one is selling for 380,000. Them say swap are negotiable. So say them willing to even exchange. So if you have a vehicle, let's say you have a Subaru, let's say you have a Honda Civic, you can give them the offer. Say I'll give you my Honda Civic for this, and they will, maybe them reply and say yes ma'am, we'll work with that, or they won't work with it. You think so you can offer your car as an exchange, or you can just pay the price. But again, the price is negotiable. So if you have paid the 308,000, you can negotiate on that. So you probably pay like 3 bills, 340, 330. The price again negotiable. So we could take a look at it and see what's going on, man. So we can say it's a nice little grey or brown Tiida. If it's a brown Tiida, so you're looking pretty okay from the side. Nothing worth talking about. It's a hatchback. I kind of like the sedan version of the Tiida them more. You see me? But the front of the vehicle looking pretty good, pretty okay. We can see a slight scuff mark right there on the front bumper. You see me? But nothing worth, discouraging you from the vehicle. It's looking pretty okay. You see what I did? So the interior of the vehicle looking pretty okay as well. We can see it have on some seat covers. I like the Tiida them have the armrest right there because all of them have the armrest. You can see also having an Android radio right there. You see me? So it does look pretty okay judging by just these pictures right here. You see me? So the back seat here again looking pretty okay, not out of the usual there. You see me in the back here of the vehicle, you can see the tail light is broken, so you probably have to replace that. You see me, but again we're not seeing nothing else out of the usual on the back here. And we can see some damages here. I didn't see these damages earlier, but we can see the whole of the fender here is a little bit damaged and some of that front door there. So you probably could carry to a body man and just fix everything, because I mean, I think none of that is where is like really damaged that bad that it can't be fixed or it have to be replaced. Most of that can be body work and be repaired without no serious expense. So I feel like you probably could work with this if that's something you're interested in. You see me? But always keep in mind, say sometimes when you see vehicle yourself for very cheap, something else probably do it. I mean, I tell you something to do this one because I don't know none of this vehicle and personal. But again, just carry somebody when know about car and just check out the vehicle when you look on it. So here is the contact number if you are interested in this vehicle. You see me? But we just have to move on to the next one. So we are here back on the PC. I'm going to show you some of the cheapest that I can we're not going to find anywhere. So I'm going to start off with this one. This is a Mazda Demio. This is a 2010 vehicle, so it's not a bad year vehicle, and it is selling for 480,000, and the price is negotiable. Yes man, it's negotiable, so no know if you know for negotiate, you can probably even get it for maybe a 4 bills, a 0 me I did. But anyway, these are cars where mostly woman like, me not telling a lie, mostly woman like these type of car, the small car them, the fit, the swift them there man, this shape exactly like one of them car. You see me? So straight up you can tell, so the back of the vehicle you're looking pretty good, looking pretty okay. You see me I did not know the usual on the back here right there, and the side right there looking okay. You see what me I did? So the front here of the vehicle we can see say the whole of the paint on the vehicle is faded, so you probably would have to do that complete respray if you're interested in something like this. You have to just respray the whole thing, but you could have go and drive it so until you can get it respray, because I can say yes man, even the side of the vehicle there looking like it want a respray. A buff and a polish could bring back the headlight, but it's a 2010 year vehicle, so I think it's a bad year, and these are kind of reliable vehicles in one little year, so you could work with it if that's something you're interested in. Here is the contact number if that's something you're interested in. But we have to just continue and go and look and see if we notice not the usual on the vehicle, because the vehicle does look relatively okay for one of them Mazda Demio there, man. You see me I did, and the interior right here we can see the door cover, it's missing a little cover right there, but it's not that bad. Me that probably live with that. The interior clock right there look like it has been replaced, man. You can see some writing on the clock right there, so more than likely that clock has been replaced. But all the better for whoever buy, because you get a fresh clock in there. You see me? So the person did not post any more pictures of this vehicle, man. So we just have to move on to the next one. So here we have a what you call it, Toyota Boon, what you call it, Daihatsu Boon. I may not even know. This is a 2009 vehicle and it's selling for 450,000. The price is negotiable on this one, man. You see me? Negotiable. So we have to take a closer look and we can say it's one of them small car, one of them fit there, one of them swift there. I think it's a little smaller than the swift them still, I think it's a little bit smaller than the swift them. But anyways, we can see the side of the vehicle looking pretty okay. Not the usual. The side here looking pretty good. It's a nice black on the vehicle. You see me? It does have on some aftermarket wheels right there. The rear view mirror is missing a cover right there, but that's a really minor thing right there. Front here the vehicle looking pretty stock, pretty clean, not out of the usual. Judging by the background of this one, we can say maybe this probably a country or somewhere far, man. We see which part. We see if we can see St. Catherine is located in St. Catherine. We think I come country this, But anyways, we can say yes, man. It does look pretty okay. You see me again. The price is negotiable and it's 450,000 if you're interested in them, man. One of them small engine there. So I don't know if you are interested in this vehicle. Here is the contact number. We are gonna end the video right here right now. If you like this type of video and you want to do more of this type of video, comment in the comment section. If we get like all 300 comments saying yo, you want more of these type of video, we'll make it a regular thing where we show some of the cheapest that I can we're not gonna find anywhere. You see me? But thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.